Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Progress Invoicing in QuickBooks Online. I'll walk you through the setup and how to create a Progress invoice step by step. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and click the settings icon in the top right corner. From there, go to Account and Settings, then select the Sales tab. Scroll down until you find Progress Invoicing and toggle it on. Don't forget to click Save to apply this change. Now to create a Progress invoice, go to Invoices and select the customer you want to invoice. You'll see a list of available estimates for this customer. Select the estimate you just created. You can choose to invoice the total amount, or a partial amount such as 50% of the estimate. Click Copy to Invoice, and QuickBooks will automatically transfer the estimate details into your invoice. Finally, review the invoice to ensure all details are correct, then click Save and Send to deliver the invoice to your customer. QuickBooks will now track the balance, making it easy to send subsequent invoices for the remaining amounts. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips. See you in the next one.